Hello everybody, what you're looking at right here is a factory reproduction of the original glove box that went in the dashboard of a lot of Jeep vehicles. This is the fiberboard one, and a viewer, John Franzino, or yeah, I don't know exactly how to pronounce his last name, but a viewer named John sent it to me because he's reproducing them now. And this is the dashboard out of the CJ5 snowblower Jeep. I'm going to pull that box out of there so I can show it to you. He is making a very nice reproduction of the original glove box, stapled in the right places. It's the right kind of board. The size is perfect. It fits on the dashboard very well. And he also includes the correct fasteners. The little clips that go behind there to catch the screws. You have all the screws to fasten it. It's a very nice reproduction, and if anybody needs a glove box and they want a factory original looking one, this is definitely a high quality one, and I think it's important to support guys like this that go the distance to make accurate reproductions. It's not just a junky one that you get from, you know, a big Jeep supplier or something like that. This is a very nice quality reproduction. He does a very nice job on those. And if you're after originality, you can't use the plastic one or anything else. You have to use this if you want to do something original. It fits perfect. It looks perfect. I think you'd be very happy with it. It's even got a little notch there for a little arm on the door when it goes down. Very nice reproduction he's done. And like I say, I think it's important to support guys like this that go the extra mile so everybody could have good quality parts. So there's another little something else in the box there. I'll set up and show you what that is next. Okay guys, I know it might be tough to see. This is just a picture that he sent me on my little tablet here. He is reproducing the air cleaner decal that went on the V6, the Oddfire V6, 65 to 71. It went on the little oil bath air cleaner that sat on top of the carburetor there. I think you maybe could pick out the V6 here, and there's the air cleaner with the decal on it. I'll try and get a close-up of the decal so you can see it, but it's a very nice high-quality reproduction sticker, and I'll show that to you next. There's a little bit of glare on there, but I think you can see the writing is nice and crisp. It's the right color. Everything is right. This is an exact reproduction of the original. And anybody with a V6, if you're doing a nice restoration, you want to go that extra mile and put the right decals on. This is certainly a nice quality one. Very heavy duty. It's not a water transfer type thing. It's an actual sticker made out of heavyweight material. And I know that it would make anybody's restoration complete. And I'm going to try and get some links in the description below where you could contact John, or you could go right to his little eBay site there and buy the sticker or the glove box. Absolutely, you won't be disappointed with anything. Like I say, I tried it in a dash. I tried it in a couple dashes. It works perfect. And I think you'd be very happy with this decal if you need one for your V6. Okay, since we're on the subject of glove boxes, I wanted to show you the one I made for this CJ5 snowblower Jeep, because I thought I might want to put some stuff in there. You can see how much deeper it is than the original. And like I said, this is perfect for a restoration, stuff like that. Get a hold of John and he'll be happy to sell you one. It's perfect for stuff like that. you know, there's a lot of custom features on that snowblower Jeep, so I decided to make an extra deep glove box. And I had another job. I was doing some riveting, so I put some rivets in it. And it's made just out of one piece, and everything's, you know, folded up. And then instead of welding it or spot welding, I just, you know, I had the rivet gun set up out, so I just riveted that together. But you can actually put some stuff in here, and it fastens to the lip on the dashboard, and it works out real nice. And there's just a lot of dead space behind the glove box there, so I made it extra deep, and that should work out pretty good. And here's the dash. And I'm putting gauges in this. You know, you had your speedo, and you had your fuel and your temp gauge in there, and you had some lights that would glow if you had oil pressure problems or something like that. But I popped some holes in here. There's a lot of holes in this dash, and I had to plug up a lot of holes. You could probably see some of the areas that I hit. But this is going to be fuel level, you know, the fuel gauge, fuel pressure gauge I'm putting next to that one. And down here we'll have a clock, we'll have an ammeter, have a mechanical water temperature gauge, and a mechanical oil pressure gauge. And I may or may not put a tach in here, I'm not sure. But on something like this, I want to know what the engine's doing, and I want direct readings. So mechanical water and oil makes me feel better on something like this. So the dashboard has all its holes in it now, and I had to take care of a few areas that were really mangled up, but this will get another coat of epoxy primer. I'll mix it up as a sealer, thin it down a little bit, and then this will be ready to go. And I'll be working on the doors next, spot welding those together, getting those fit. I want to try and finish up the hard top, and that's coming in a future video. But for now, I just wanted to show you that John has some very nice parts out there, glove box and a decal. So if anybody needs it, I'll put the link in the description. And if you need anything else, just contact me. Put a comment down there, and I'll get back with you. So as always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.